we're firing up the grill for the next level cookout classic, a bacon-wrapped hot dogs with a spicy jalapeno slaw. We're giving these dogs a serious upgrade using one of our favorite tools, the slaw dog. So let's get into it. For this recipe, we are using all beef hot dogs, and they seem to work really well with the slot dog. Why I love the slot dog so much is because it's going to give us a crisp cut onto that hot dog, which allows for more surface area, which means more seasoning in that hot dog. So you just simply rock it onto there, press that slot dog over it, and then you simply peel that off. You can see it has criss cross, cut that open. So what's the purpose of that? Like I said, we've got more surface area for seasoning to stick. For these slot dogs, I'm using the Three Little Pigs Kansas City Sweet. We're gonna generously season that up and make sure it gets into all of those little cuts. Repeat the process till all your hot dogs are cut up and seasoned. Once you've got them all slotted up and seasoned up, we're gonna take some thin cut bacon. I find thin cut bacon works better because it's kind of like we're treating this like it's a duct tape, right? Bacon is the duct tape in the culinary world, if you ask me. So you're just gonna simply wrap those seasoned up slot dogs and get them ready for the smoker. Now we're gonna add another layer of flavor with our Three Little Pigs, touch of cherry. And if you've ever had candied bacon with this seasoning, it's amazing. So be sure to coat those up. These are next level hot dogs, you guys. Today we're using the Yoder YS640, and we've got it set to 325. We're not trying to cook these hot and fast, but we do want that bacon to be nice and crisp, and that is gonna be the perfect temp. So about at 325 for about 30 minutes. While those are cooking, let's go make some jalapeno slaw. While the dogs are finishing up, we're gonna make our jalapeno slaw. That's gonna bring some heat, crunchiness, and creaminess. That starts with about 4 cups of shredded cabbage, about 1/2 cup of shredded carrots, 1 to 2 jalapenos that are thinly sliced based on your heat level preference. Then we're gonna use some mayo, some apple cider vinegar, and of course, some delicious barbecue sauces. In our coleslaw dressing, I have used the Luton Booty Honey Gold Barbecue Sauce, and it is delicious. It's like a sweet mustard, which all coleslaws need a little bit of tang, and then we really wanted the heat, so we're using our Head Country Hot and Spicy, because this slaw is gonna bring it over the top. Whisk those together, and then based on how creamy or saucy you like it, you can always double up on the sauce. But note that as it sits, it will weep a little bit, and it will be really moist, and it will be really juicy. Now just add your sauce right to those chopped vegetables. And I've got a glove on, so I'm just gonna use my hand. We're just gonna kind of massage that right into it. It smells so good, really spicy, but it's gonna make these dogs so good. The slaw is done, so let's go check on our dogs. It's been about 45 minutes, and about halfway through I bumped the temperature up to 375 because I really wanted that bacon to be crispy, and now they're done and it's time to dress them up with some of that slaw. Now if you want to add a little extra Head Country to that and make it extra spicy, then go for it, but that's all you got to do. Everything that we used you can find over on our website, www.barbecuepitstop.com. Cheers.